Hello viewers and welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. Today we are going to do ice cream. We going ice cream. What do you need to make your summer ice cream? You just need two main things that you need. You just need your heavy whipped cream. It's it's sweet. Then you need your condensed milk. So you need like 500 mils of whipped cream and about 390 grams of condensed milk. Then if you are making a vanilla one, you can just add vanilla essence. If you are making a chocolate one, you put chocolate flavor in, and you use chocolate whipped cream sweetened. So these are the main things. So if it's vanilla, you just put your vanilla essence. Then you want strawberry, you put strawberry flavored. You can use strawberry flavored heavy sweetened whipped cream. So just the basic. So we're just going to do the vanilla one. Then I will show you also how to add some chocolate swirls in the vanilla one. So vanilla, from the vanilla one you get strawberry, you get chocolate, you get all the other flavors, caramel, depends with what essence you add in. So we need 500 mils of this heavy cream, which is 2 cups basically, just like this, with 1 tin, which is 1 tin is almost 400 grams or 14 ounce. And remember, the ounce is equal to 35 grams, almost 36 grams. So it's just like, if it's this one, so it's almost like 14 ounces. Those are the other things, but here in Africa mostly we don't use ounces, we use grams and kilos, mils and liters. So what you do, you have to whip your cream until it's fluffy and stiff, but not too stiff, just a nice smooth, well whipped and thick, but not too thick, because it still needs to go into the freezer. There we go. We have our whipped cream, just like this. It's stiff, but not too stiff. It's just a nice smooth mix. Then what do? You take your condensed milk, the book is out on Amazon.com and Kobo Books. So you just go there, you search for Chef Tonde, the bake book by Chef Tonde, then you purchase your copy there, and it will guide you on all things baking. Then we mix our condensed milk in. Then we add our vanilla essence. Remember, it's vanilla with some chocolate swirls, and I will show you how to just add some swirls. Very nice. Everything up. As easy as it gets. So if it's just plain vanilla, it's done like this. Then you put in your preferred bucket or lunchbox or tin, and you refrigerate. That's all. Ice cream in the freezer. So since I want to put chocolate, I want my ice cream to have chocolate swirls, like chocolate. So what I did, I made chocolate ganache. If you go back on our other episodes, earlier episodes on our channel, then you can see how to make chocolate ganache. It's just cream. You bring cream to boil, then you add your chocolate blocks, and you stir it up until it's runny and shiny. So I have my ganache here. So I have a new bucket, a new container specifically for this ice cream. Then we put our ice cream in this container, just like this. But I want it vanilla and chocolate swirls, so I want to make it what I do like this. So as I put like this, then I take, this is the chocolate ganache. So what I do, just take, then I drizzle on like this, every corner. This is chocolate ganache. Then I deepen again on top of the smelling very nice. Smelling nice. So hot. Then just spread it nicely. So we have a bucket of homemade ice cream. Then we just drizzle again on top, just to show that it's a vanilla and chocolate swirls. That's all what you have. I have to show you how to make ice cream. So we have our homemade ice cream, just like this. Then close it, put in the refrigerator for 6 hours. After 6 hours, it's ready to go. But as you know, ice cream stays in the freezer. That's all. So that's all what I had to show you in this episode. Here is our homemade vanilla and chocolate swirls ice cream. We're waiting for summer now. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And the bankbook is out. Go on Amazon.com and Combo Books. Purchase your copy as a souvenir, just from your resident chef. Thank you. Maitabasa. See you here. Tisaonana. Kwambiri.